All right, hello everyone and welcome to our presentation. We are Team Antikythera and our project is building a 5G cellular system. I'm Zach and joining me is Vincent, Keith, and Anwar. All right, so brief project overview. 5G is the next generation in wireless technology and it's gonna bridge the gap of the Internet of Things, connecting devices in a way that it hasn't been done before. So our aim for this research is to design a single base multi-user system with a long stretch goal of a multiple base multi-user system. The key metrics that we're going to be measuring in this project are bandwidth, latency, and bit error rate.
Hi, my name is Anwar Sleiman Haidar and I will be presenting a software overview of the project. Many building blocks of the project have been implemented in MATLAB as part of an ongoing research by our mentor. The current system is batch-oriented, relying both on GNU Radio and MATLAB. GNU Radio is the SDR part of the project where we can define RF systems by code. And our initial task is to bridge MATLAB and GNU Radio into one centralized program written in Python. So ultimately, we can take the MATLAB code, replace it totally with Python, and we will have a Python-only solution that we can deploy on low-end devices such as Raspberry Pi and other devices.
All right, so Keith Finch here with a hardware overview. So for our project, we're using two different software-defined radios, a USRP B210 and a Lime SDR. We're using two different ones to avoid introducing any bias into our data and to also simulate a more real-world use case, if you will. We also chose these devices primarily due to the software-defined aspect of them, because this allows us to design radio systems that would typically require copious amounts of hardware to implement, but now we're solely able to do this using software and a PC, or in the future, or for our user nodes, Raspberry Pi. So for our system, the USRP, the B210, will act as a user node or transmitter, while the Lime SDR will be our base station or our receiver. And the data received by the Lime SDR is what we're analyzing and determining the performance based off of our key metrics.
Hi, my name is Vincent. These are the documentation and deliverables we will be providing on this design research project. We'll be utilizing Microsoft Teams and Confluence for data aggregation so we can collaborate and take all our notes and findings and put them into one location. Our data item deliverable, or DIDs, that we'll be providing and producing on this project are the weekly notebook, proposal, and presentation. We'll also be producing a hardware software configuration matrix for configuration control, an interface control document, and software design document so that our findings and research can be easily understood and ingested by another follow-on team to further the progress of 5G communications.